Hey everybody, it's your girl Sunreey, and I'm here today with Deja, who is a world-class travel around the world beast at being entertainer, singer, dancer, anything you can name it.
All things.
And so one thing I want to ask her is for a piece of advice for people who are aspiring to do some of the similar things that she's into. So if you had 3 pieces of advice that you could give anyone on their journey, what would be the most influential thing at this point?
3 things. Okay, number 1, if you have something in your soul and your gut that you really want to pursue, just listen to that thing and do one thing a day that brings you a step closer to that goal. Number 2, regardless of anybody saying you can't do something, which I've had much experience with, don't listen, okay? Keep listening to that gut little voice in your head that you know you can do this thing. Number 3, make sure you know why you're doing the thing you want to do. Because if you're doing it for the love of it, it's always going to work out because the universe will, make a path for you because you're doing it for the love of the thing. If you're doing it for reasons that might not benefit you or the world, it's going to be kind of harder to achieve, I think. And it's kind of like you want to do something that's purposeful in your life. So really sit down and ask why, what is my intention? Why do I want to do this thing? And once you figure that out, it's going to be a lot easier.
Yes, definitely. And I appreciate you for sharing that. I kind of put you on the spot.
It's all good. I'm feeling all cool with this hair right now.
Yeah, she just got her hair done by yours truly. So if you need that, let me know.
Yes,
Last thing before we go, any quote that comes to your head that you feel like somebody could benefit from, whether it be just someone that's starting out, someone already seasoned in their career, what would that be? Just a piece of advice that has helped you in your journey.
I wish I could remember the exact words of this quote, but in essence, it says something like, fail hard, no matter, fail hard, fail better. Something like that, which just means I don't personally really believe in failure. I just believe you're put in situations where you're asked to learn from.
Yes.
So it's kind of just like, don't worry about failing. Don't worry about falling on your face or not being good at something, because that's how you learn. So it's like I take all of my steps back or failures or whatever, your lessons, and move forward with that.
Yes, that's a staple piece, because if you keep on moving forward, that's going to be your building block. Keep on pushing. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, and it was a pleasure working with you.
I'm so happy.
And you guys have a good day, and I hope this helped you out. Bye.
Bye.